Hello everyone, I am Mr. Helper. In this video, I will show you exactly how to trim a video in Avidemux. Quick, simple and precise. Launch Avidemux and load the video you want to edit. You can drag and drop the file, or you can select File and click on Open and select the video. Use the timeline slider or arrow keys to move to the exact frame where you want your trimmed video to begin. Or if you want to be precise, click on Time button. Here you can enter hour, minute, seconds and milliseconds. Once you are at the right spot, press A marker button. This sets the start point. Now scroll through the video until you reach the frame where you want the trim video to end. Press the B marker button to set the end point. This sets the end point. Make sure you select the right output format if you don't want to re-encoding. In video output, make sure it is set as copy. Same with the audio output, make sure it is set as copy. In output format, make sure it is select whatever format you want to output your trimmed video. In my case, I am selecting MP4. Then click on File, click on Save and name the output file. Click on Save. That's it. You have successfully trimmed your video in Avidemux without losing the quality, fast, efficient and beginner friendly. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more editing tutorials like this. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment box below. And if you would like to get in touch with me, join my Discord server. All the links are in the description box below. Thank you for joining. Bye bye.